Hello, Adventure Team. Scott here with my German friend Katie.
Hey!
We're at the New York skyline behind us, and in front of us, ice skating, because what else do you do in Central Park during the winter?
And actually it was a thing that I had on my bucket list. So thanks God for ice skating with me.
We'll show you how to do it and how to have fun. Come on, let's go ice skating. Thank you. What you thought this would have been like, or better?
I think I had some higher expectations, but I think you should still come and do it.
Nothing can please the Germans. No, this is great. Skating with the skyline, that behind you, smell of burgers, hot chocolate, just all this out here. They do have rental skates, or like me, I brought mine across the country. We're gonna kick off the ice for resurfacing, so that's the end of our adventure. If you want to check out some more pictures, check out my Instagram, Sheahen Exploration. And if you had fun, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, explore more.